Hello, I'm here to show you how you can easily use your calculator to solve a quadratic equation. Although I'm using a calculator that I downloaded on my phone, it's still the same thing as using the original calculator. So you can just get the original one, but you can also download it on your phone too. So this is very useful in an exam, or if you just want to manage your time or cross-check your answer. So let's get right into it. So I want to just start. When you both on the real calculator and the normal one or this one, you just go to mode. First of all, you see a lot of things, then you scroll until you see quadratic equation or this, as I have on my phone. You see this, I tap on it. So that's when you see this. It's actually very easy. So once you get here, all you need to do is input your values. So like I have an already solved equation, which I'll show you. Okay, so you press 2 for the first a value. Whatever you have as your a value, that's what you press. So you press 2 equal to, you press 5 equal to, then you press minus 3 equal to. So when you have this, you have already put your values for the equation, then you press equal to again. So your x1 value is equals to minus 3, and your x2 values you press equal to again is equals to 1 over 2, or if I press s to the 0.5. So this is a very easy hack you can use in an exam, so you can practice this at home so that you get more used to it. So yeah, so this is the quadratic equation we just solved. That's with the calculator. So I'm going to quickly review how I solved it by myself to show you that the calculator's answers were right. So what I like to do, I just draw this cross here to multiply the term a and term c. That is a times c, and this is term b. So when I do that, that is minus 6x squared. So what we'll do is to break down this minus 6x squared into what can give us 5 plus 5x. So we'll just write the product of 6 minus 6x squared. That's 6, 1, 2, 3. But we also have this minus, so we'll put signs for each of them. Minus 6 plus 1. They have 6 minus 1, minus 2 plus 3, 2 and minus 3. So when you look at all of the equations carefully, all these products carefully, all of them give you this, but not all of them will give you this. So that we have to look for the one that will give us plus, remember, plus 5x. So that is 6x. So that is, we'll pick this, that is plus 6 minus 1. If you have 6 naira, then you borrowed 1 naira. So 1 naira minus your 6, that is 5. So that's how we have our 5x. So we now broke it down into this 6x minus x. You can understand that this minus 1 is the same thing as this minus x. So therefore, we now replace this with these two terms here. So when we do that, we have 2x raised to power 2 plus 6x minus x minus 3 equals to 0. Once you do this, your equation is already half solved. So what you just do, you just put a bracket here, just factorize here, what is common to here? We have 2x. Why? 2x can go into here and 2x can also go into here. So 2x into here is x plus 3. And what is here is also what is going to be in this other bracket as a simple hack. So this x plus 3. And what you have here, minus 1. Just 1 will go into both of them and to give you what is here. So now we collect this part and this part, then collect one of these. So there is 2x minus 1 and x plus 3 equals to 0. So we now take each of them and solve it, equate it to 0. That's 2x minus 1 equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. So 2x is equals to, if you carry this one here, just remember that this minus sign will change after crossing the equality sign. If it does not cross the equality sign, it does not change the sign. So that's 1 plus 1. Then we divide both sides by 2 so that x will be the only thing remaining standing. That is remain standing because it's x we're looking for. So that is divided by 2. Here cancel here and x equals to 1 over 2. Like we saw our calculator give us, or 0.5. Or we have x, if you carry this here, if you carry this plus 3 here, you have minus, because the equality, this sign, when it crosses the equality sign, to change, that is minus 3, just as we had. So the calculator give us. So this is just a simple way to solve the quadratic equation. So I hope you learned something today. Do well to like and subscribe, and also practice more, so that practice will make you perfect. Subscribe for more. See you guys in the next video.